It is another Haitian Heritage Month. So, of course, I am Sandra Florent, your resident Haitian. And as you know, May is Haitian Heritage Month. So, this month, I invite you to one, learn some more about Haitian culture, whether you are of Haitian descent or not. We know so many companies have their D&E initiatives. So this is a great time to find out if you do have some Haitian coworkers, bring in a Haitian speaker, learn about the country and its people. If you are of Haitian descent, I invite you to learn a little bit more about your culture. So Haitian Heritage Month, I think it's very important that we all do our part to let people know that we are here, particularly Haitians in the United States. We know that we still get a lot of negative stereotypes. We still can in some instances be seen as less than. We can also seem as we are the representatives for everything, especially what has happened at the border. That's when everyone knows who the Haitian is in the office because something they've seen on the news. So let's use May as the opportunity for us to further educate ourselves as well as others. Now, don't burden or bog yourself down, but this is an invitation to really enhance your learning and as well as those that you are around. As we know, May 18th is fast approaching, so I can't wait to see all the Haitian Flag Day celebrations. I love seeing the kids all dressed up and all the variations of how we do our flag outfits. Did you know that back in 2005, President Bush and First Lady Laura Bush had a celebration at the White House? Do you think we can get President Biden and Kamala to do something at the White House for us this year? Tag them. President Biden, Kamala, I think there should be a Haitian Heritage Month celebration at the White House. I think it'll be great. I think it's a great idea. So I would like to come. So if you do decide to have one, I'll be there. Let me be the brand ambassador for Haitian Heritage Month at the White House. But look for some Ask A Haitians for the month of May, as I've done in the year past. We'll be talking to Haitians of various backgrounds, so keep an eye out for that. If you're not subscribed to my newsletter, be so sure to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, all that social media good stuff, so that way you don't miss. I created the content that I wanted to see, which is what everyone is doing these days. So I wanted to see Haitians represented in content and not just on our Haitian publications, but I would say more mainstream. So what did I decide to do? Hey, let's create Ask A Haitian. So Ask A Haitian is coming back this May, going to be talking to some individuals across the diaspora about their life, their work, what it's like, what it was like growing up Haitian, and how that is going on now. So I hope you guys will tune in, that you'll share, that you'll comment, that you will be engaged. So wishing you all a happy Haitian Heritage Month. And I can't wait to see what gets done this year. And I can't wait for you guys to see the things that I have in store, content related to Haitian Heritage Month.